30 years later. To fix a childhood regret, I bought a PS1 for 100 yuan. You guys probably played this as kids. Even if you couldn't afford one, you likely played at a game lounge. I think it was 3 yuan an hour. That was expensive back then. Holding my dream console now, I'm still thrilled. Besides the console, there are 2 controllers, a memory card, and a bunch of game discs. Any of these look familiar? Most of these discs are scratched. Not sure if they'll still work. Let's check the console. It's in decent shape. Memory card, just some slight yellowing, and a bit of dirt. Let's hook it up to the TV and test it first. This is a Model 9002, the European version. It uses 110 volts power. But this transformer is so loud, it's giving me a headache. Powering on, no picture or sound. The PS1 was Sony's first home console. They planned to partner with Nintendo, but Nintendo backed out. So Sony went solo. They kept the PlayStation name, competing with the N64. It was a direct challenge. It was on, and Sony got their revenge, influenced the whole industry, brought back great childhood memories. Anyway, the top shell is off. The interior is simple. Remove power board, ports, and drive. Now for the motherboard. It's between 2 metal plates. Remove the outer metal plate. Remove the outer metal plate. This board looks brand new. It has a mod chip installed to play pirated discs. Remove the bottom metal plate. Remove the disc cover and buttons. Disassembly is complete. First step of the routine. Clean the shell and buttons. After cleaning, start the retrobrighting. I'm using Hair Developer. It's 12% hydrogen peroxide. Works just like pure peroxide. Wrap it in plastic wrap. Put it under UV lights. Meanwhile, check the motherboard. It won't power on. Check the fuses first. One is blown. But that's not all. Connected the power. Check the output voltages. Besides the blown fuse, this chip is also bad. So I replaced the motherboard. Let's check the shell. Looks much better. Reinstall the motherboard. To test the disk drive. Clean the ports with IPA. Then put them back. Cleaning the power board. The transformer is too loud. Converting it to 220 volts direct. Need to swap this 200 volts capacitor for a 400 volts one. Check this spot on the board, usually marked 250 volts or 125 volts. If 250 volts, just swap the capacitor. If it's marked 125 volts, it's more complicated. Other parts need replacing too. Not recommended to mod then. Capacitor swapped. Testing the output voltage. Looks good. Reassembling the power board. Now for the optical drive. Give it a quick clean. Clean the lens with pure water. Don't use alcohol. Putting the drive back. Plug in the ribbon cable. Testing disk reading on the TV. No surprise, it won't read the disk. Obviously, it worked before it died. It's been many years. Removing the laser for cleaning. The mirror is underneath. Cleaned, putting the cover back. Look at the lens bracket. It's all saggy. Remind you of someone. This used to be common. If it wouldn't read, flipping it upside down worked. Because the lens bracket sagged. Since it's plastic, find a stiff plastic piece. Cut it into this shape. Insert it behind the bracket. Prop up the lens. Finally, clean the gears and the rack. Reinstall the laser head. Test it after assembly. Once it's working, assemble the cover and buttons. Reinstall the top shell. Now this Sony PS1 is fully repaired. Before versus after. Let's test play. Parasite Eve 1. Ever played it?